Hi, this is the HUAWEI NOVA 11 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without device help. So open first the control panel and find here scan QR codes icon. If you don't see this icon here, tap to this edit icon, click to edit swatches, find scan icon, hold it and drag it to your panel, tap to done to save the changes, then click to scan, agree. Okay, get started. So QR code scanner is activated, so let's just scan our QR code. Wait a second, be connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now we can see here that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.